Okay, the top 5 fashion brands for females on a low budget. Let me start. So the top 5 could be H&M, Forever 21, Old Navy, ASOS, and maybe Primark or Target. Alternatively, include Shine, but with a caveat. I need to balance affordability, style, and accessibility. Let me structure this as, here are 5 budget-friendly fashion brands for women that offer trendy and affordable options without compromising on style. H&M. Why? Known for fast fashion with a wide range of trendy pieces, from workwear to casual outfits. Pro tip, check their sales section and sign up for newsletters for discounts. Forever 21. Why? Offers ultra-affordable, youthful styles like crop tops, dresses, and accessories. Most items are under $30, and they frequently run promotions. Pro tip, great for seasonal trends you might not want to splurge on. Old Navy. Why? Perfect for everyday staples, jeans, sweaters, loungewear, and family-friendly styles. Regular sales drop prices by 30 to 50%. Pro tip, their activewear line, Breathe On, is a budget alternative to pricier brands. Why? An online retailer with thousands of styles, including petite and plus-size options. Prices range from 10 to 50. Pro tip, use the Target app for exclusive coupons. Thrifting, apps like Poshmark or ThredUp let you shop secondhand brands at a fraction of the cost. Shine, caution advised. Extremely low prices, but criticized for quality and ethical concerns. Budget hacks. Always shop sales, clearance sections. Sign up for brand loyalty programs for early access to discounts. Mix basics with a few trendy accents to keep your wardrobe fresh and affordable. Let me know if you'd like tips on styling specific pieces.